For over 30 years, one aircraft has struck pure terror into the hearts of adversaries just by the mention of its name. The B-2 Spirit. A flying wing that defied every rule of physics and bypassed Soviet radars in their own backyard. But, in the world of high-stakes warfare, survival doesn't belong to the strongest, it belongs to the smartest. While the rest of the world is still trying to crack the code of the B-2, the United States has dropped a bombshell by revealing its successor, the B-21 Raider. An aircraft that looks familiar on the outside, but hides a digital revolution within, that will redefine the future of combat forever. Why did the Pentagon decide to retire the most expensive aircraft in history? What is the secret that makes the B-21 cheaper, yet far more lethal? Today, we dive deep into the secrets of the stealth bombers, revealing the timeline for the end of a legend and the dawn of a new era. How did the story begin? Let's go back to the 1980s. At the height of the Cold War, America needed a ghost, a weapon that could penetrate the most sophisticated Soviet air defense networks undetected, to deliver a nuclear payload. This gave birth to the B-2 Spirit, from the hangars of Northrop Grumman. In 1989, it took its first flight, and it was a shock to the world. It wasn't just a plane, it was a piece of science fiction with a price tag exceeding $2 billion per aircraft. Because of the astronomical cost and the collapse of the Soviet Union, the US settled for just 21 jets instead of the planned 132. Fast forward to 2015. The B-21 Raider emerged from the LRSB, Long-Range Strike Bomber, project. It was born out of necessity to face 21st century threats. Specifically the advanced S-400 and S-500 systems of Russia. Named Raider in honor of the famous Doolittle Raiders of World War II, it serves as a reminder that America's long arm can still reach anyone and anywhere. The ghosts, head-to-head. At first glance, you might think they're the same aircraft. But as they say, the devil is in the details. Here's a dive into the technical secrets that make the B-21 Raider light years ahead of its predecessor, the B-2 Spirit. The mystery of the radar signature, radar cross-section. B-2 Spirit. Its radar signature is roughly equivalent to that of a big bird. The sawtooth rear design was essential in the 1990s to scatter radars, but it creates reflection points that modern radars can detect. Meanwhile, the B-21 Raider leaked secrets suggest its radar signature is comparable to that of a small insect, or even a golf ball. The edges have been streamlined for smoother results, eliminating the weak points of the older design. It not only scatters radar but absorbs it, reflecting virtually nothing back to the source. The revolution in radar-absorbing coatings. In the B-2, the paint is a complex chemical material that is affected by humidity and heat, and must be repainted manually each time, which is a very expensive process and makes the aircraft sensitive. The technical secret of the B-21: it uses a sixth-generation coating that is integrated into the airframe itself, rather than merely an external layer. This smart and durable coating can withstand harsh weather conditions and take off from forward operating bases, rather than just climate-controlled hangars, thereby increasing its combat readiness. Thermal signature. B-2. The four engines generate enormous heat, and despite the presence of cooling systems, modern heat-seeking missiles can track the heat trail emitted from the rear. B-21. The engines have been integrated deeper into the fuselage, with highly streamlined air intakes designed to prevent radar from detecting the engine blades, and to mix hot air with cold air immediately before it exits, making it a thermal stealth aircraft as well. Digital dominance. The cloud-native bomber. Here's the game-changing truth. The real leap from the B-2 to the B-21 isn't just about how it flies. It's about how it dominates the information realm. The B-21 Raider isn't just a bomber. It's a high-tech digital predator, a flying supercomputer that acts as the central nervous system of the modern battlefield. Imagine a ghost in the sky that can inhale a massive real-time stream of data from military satellites, F-35 stealth fighters, and naval destroyers thousands of miles away. This isn't just raw data, it's processed instantly by advanced AI algorithms, giving the pilot a god view of the theater that stays 10 steps ahead of the enemy. The B-21 isn't just a plane, it's a living weapon. Built on open architecture, its lethality is updated via software patches, as fast as an app on your phone. Contrast that with the B-2, a legend trapped in years of manual hardware overhauls. But here's the most terrifying part. The B-21 is the ultimate silent hunter. It can pinpoint and annihilate targets with surgical precision, without the pilot having to turn on his own radar for even a second. By remaining completely passive and relying on external data links, the Raider emits zero signals for the enemy to track. While the B-2 remains a legendary lone wolf of a bygone era, the B-21 is a hyper-connected ghost in the machine. It sees everything, reveals nothing, and never misses. But here's the kicker. The B-21 is optionally manned. It can strike the world's deadliest zones with an empty cockpit, transforming instantly into the largest, most lethal drone in history. A bomber with no pilot, and no mercy. Project cost. The B-2 Spirit was an economic nightmare. Each unit cost roughly $2.2 billion, in today's money. And flying it for just 1 hour costs over $150,000. This made it a special occasions-only bomber. The Pentagon learned its lesson. The goal for the B-21 Raider was a lethal platform at a reasonable price. Each Raider costs approximately $700 million to $750 million. This lower price point allows the US to build a massive fleet of at least 100 aircraft, giving them a global reach that no other nation can match. The secret behind the B-2's mercy kill. So, why walk away from a plane that is still considered the best in the world? The answer is counter-stealth technology. Modern radars in China and Russia are beginning to see the B-2 better than before. The B-2 was designed in an analog era, and it struggles to integrate with today's digital combat cloud. The second reason is sustainability. Maintaining the B-2 has become a nightmare. Some of its spare parts aren't even manufactured anymore. The B-21, however, was designed to be maintenance-friendly. It can also act as a data hub, controlling swarms of armed drones, a feat the aging B-2 simply can't perform. When will the farewell begin? So, when will we see the B-2 in museums? As of 2026, the B-21 Raider is already in its initial production phase. It is expected to enter official service between 2026 and 2027. The U.S. Air Force plans to begin phasing out the B-2, gradually as each new B-21 enters service. It is expected that the B-2 will be completely retired by the early 2030s. Ultimately, the B-2 Spirit will always be remembered as the aircraft that changed history. But the B-21 Raider is the one that will write the future. America isn't changing its arsenal just for the sake of it. They realize that in the 21st century sky, if you stop evolving, you fall. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.